Hi, I'm Konstantin with the Learning Product Development team. If you're afraid that sharing your idea with someone will lead to them stealing your idea, then you're probably not going to get too far. Developing an idea into a successful product requires a lot of time, effort, and money. So if you're willing to invest all of that, why would you do that in someone else's idea? The reality is that very few people are actually interested in stealing someone else's ideas. Most people are perfectly fine and happy to work on their own concepts. So if you're worried about people stealing your idea, don't be. Chances are it's not going to happen. If you talk about companies and manufacturers, the consequences of them stealing your idea could be very expensive. These days, with social media and the internet in general, the news will likely spread quickly, and that could damage their brand significantly. So it would make more sense for them to work out some sort of a deal with you, maybe to license your idea, as opposed to stealing it. So the next time you're worried about someone stealing your idea, remember that it may not be as big of a concern as you may think. Instead, focus on developing your idea and turning it into reality.